a bad birdie.
Mom, please don't do it. Mom, please don't do that. Mom, please don't do that. Please
Don't do what?
Don't take it out.
Well, I have to get him out of here.
Are you sure he's dead?
No, he's not dead. He's alive.
Oh, God.
He's in here.
Oh, God, he's in there somewhere.
He's up here now. Oh, shit.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Mom.
Here. I have to get him out.
Okay. Let me record. Let me record.
It is recording.
Okay. Okay. Sully, move out of the way. Sully, move.
Hold on.
Mom, you see the...
Espérate. Espérate.
Sully, I'm trying to
I need...
What?
Dame ese paño.
Sully, take it.
Scared.
Okay, do it really fast.
No. Mommy, no. Mama.
Oh, God.
What, is he stuck?
No, not gonna go on this part.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I just love this. I love this show.
Okay.
You got him?
Okay, he might have left. But I gotta clean all that mess. Ugh.
Oh my God, he
Oh, I
poked
don't
a
know if it's here.
He really poked a hole.
Right.
He really poked a hole.
Please get out, little tiny birdie.
Hold on for a second.
Never return. Never return.
See? There was a dead bird in there. There's two dead
What?
birds in there.
2 dead birds?
Yes.
I saw.
One, there was two.
I
I
see.
gotta go downstairs and take a picture of that.
Oh,
No.
let me see. I want to see what's inside. I want to see.
Oh! There he is. There he is. Videotape that!